freedom machine. She's pretty, she's fast, and she's tough. The first time I ever seen my little freedom machine, I knew I had to have that dreamy cream puff. So I saved up my money for a long, long time, for the day I could make those little wheels whine. Now she's sitting in the driveway and she's mine, all mine, a mean little freedom machine. Every time I make the scene, in my freedom machine, everybody wants to go for a ride. They're always talking about the motor and the pretty paint job and all the chrome running down the side. Now I finally got the freedom that I'd always seen, so hard to get a hold of when I was 16. Now I'm making up for a few lost dreams with my mean little freedom machine. When I'm feeling this free, takes me back to the day when I was just a kid in my teens. Building plastic model toys was as close as I could get to ever having my own freedom machine. But now the world looks like a little kinder place, with a motor running gold and the wind in my face. Even when I take it easy, man, she still wants to race, a mean little freedom machine. She's long and lean, she looks real mean. She's a fantasy on wheels in my childhood dream. Now I'm seeing all the freedom that I ain't never seen. My mean little freedom machine, my mean little freedom machine.